All right, boys and girls, welcome back. Guess what we have cooking up in our pot right now? We're going to stir up some high frequency words. All right, now listen, we have a job to do. I'm going to set my microwave for 30 seconds, and our goal is to not get burnt by not having these done in 30 seconds. So sit up and get yourselves ready. You ready? Oops. I'm going to set it for 32. Just give me 2 seconds to turn around. All right, here we go. You, from, a, they, I, the, was, are, to, we, he, she, be, me, and, of, one, have, do, as, has, by, my, is, his, or, for, shucks. We didn't quite make it. I bet we get them done next week in our 30 seconds. Every day we just want to get a little faster at them. All right, now listen. I kept this one out because this one has our high frequency words on it that we're really focusing on this week. We, he, she, be, and me. All right, boys and girls, next time we'll get them done.